One bleak, grey morning, Kofi looked out the panoramic view from the living room to see the horror of a skylight in the tent. The rip was so large. Kofi has some lumber and insulation under the CoverPro, and if they get wet, that will make his day. As Kofi stared at the emergency maintenance, he summarized that a branch fell onto the tent. Lucky for him, no rain fell that bleak day, and the weather was looking good on the day of the repair. A short reminder before we take a closer look. A journey of home renovation and maintenance. Welcome to Maintaining 18. There it is, the branch in its splendor. Kofi has been itching to do some woodworking projects and would not mind turning the wood into a spoon or something of that sort. The repair is a challenge. Firstly, Kofi needs some tape up to the task, the thick, broad type. Applying the tape is another challenge. The repair is 10 feet up and more than Kofi can stretch. So Kofi started at the underneath. The intention was to use a small square of tape to hold the ripped parts, then tape from above. There's no reason to believe taping from below will not work as odd as it may seem. And for the challenge, apply the tape to the top. It turns out Swiffer is not only for cleaning floors. Looking at the tent, it has more bruises than a rough-handled banana. If you haven't subscribed and home renovation and repair are of interest to you, please subscribe or share us with an associate. And with that, Kofi is done and the tent lives for another year. The day is won.